Now, I'm here to talk about the structural specialized cell types within the blood circulatory system. Firstly is red blood cells, as known as erythrocytes. It has biconcave disc shape. It is lack of nucleus and mitochondria. It is a flexible cell membrane, and it has high concentration of hemoglobin.
Biconcave disc shape increase surface area for gas diffusion. Absence of nucleus can increase oxygen carrying capacity. Lack of mitochondria prevents oxygen consumption by the cell itself. Flexible cell membranes allows red blood cells to squeeze through narrow capillaries. High concentration of hemoglobin maximizes efficient gas transport throughout the body.
The second structural specialized cell types is white blood cells, as known as leukocytes. The structural specialization of leukocytes is a presence of a nucleus. Secondly, leukocytes have variable cell shapes. It has the ability to change shape, as known as a amoeboid movement. Leukocytes also have lysosomes containing digestive enzymes.
Presence of nucleus enables regulation of immune response and production of immune proteins. Variable cell shapes support different immune roles. Amoeboid movement allows red blood cells to leave blood vessels and migrate to infection site. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes to enable digestion and destruction of pathogens.
And the last structural specialized cell type is platelets, as known as thrombocytes. The structural specialization of thrombocytes is small cell fragments without a nucleus, and thrombocytes is irregular shape when activated. Thrombocytes also contain granules filled with clotting factors and signaling molecules.
Small size allows rapid accumulation at damaged blood vessel sites. Absence of nucleus enables quick activation during injury. Irregular shape increase surface area for platelet adhesion. Granules release chemicals that trigger clot formation.
Now, let's look at how these three blood components work together as a team. Their interactions are not just random, they are highly coordinated to maintain flow, fight infection, and stop bleeding. Starting with red blood cell, they actually detect how white blood cells move by influencing blood viscosity. In addition, they also release ATP to trigger vasodilation, which open up the highway for immune cells to reach infection site faster. When it comes to clotting, RBC physically push platelet towards the vessel wall to speed up the process. Moving on to the white blood cell, which act as the body cleanup and surveillance crew that continuously monitor RBC health, identifying and removing aged or damaged cells in the spleen. Moreover, white blood cells also communicate heavily with platelet by releasing chemical signals like cytokine. This signal recruit the platelet to the site of inflammation, where the cells physically bind together to boost the overall immune response. Finally, we have platelet, beyond just plugging holes that trap RBC within fibrin mesh to create a stable, solid seals against leaks. In addition to their clotting role, platelet also function as modulator by triggering neutrophils to form nets, or extracellular traps, which act as the microscopic webs to capture and kill invading pathogens. Ultimately, this interaction ensures that our vascular system remains both secure and responsive to any threat.
Importance of interaction and communication among blood cells. First, red blood cells interact with blood vessel wall to help regulate blood pressure and ensure that oxygen is efficiently delivered to body tissues. Next, white blood cells. White blood cells communicate with other cells to support immune defense. This interaction helps detect pathogen early and prevent the spread of infection. And the last one is the platelet. Platelet interact with damaged blood vessels and other cells to support wound healing and prevent excessive bleeding through blood clot formation. Overall, this interaction among red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelet is essential for oxygen and nutrient transport, maintaining hemostasis, effective immune defense, and tissue repair.
When there is an injury or wound, platelets will be the first responders and form a clot to stop bleeding. The red blood cells will also carry oxygen to the damaged tissue and help to repair it. The white blood cells will kill the bacteria that enter the wound to prevent infection. The platelets, red blood cells, and white blood cells also relate to each other. Platelets will stick to the damaged vessel and form a clot to stop bleeding. And red blood cells will get trapped in the clot and act as a filling to strengthen the clot. The red blood cells and white blood cells work together. White blood cells move to kill bacteria and viruses, and red blood cells deliver oxygen to support the immune cell activity. The white blood cells and platelets also work together. Platelets release chemical signals, and when white blood cells detect all these signals, they are attracted to the site to kill bacteria and viruses. This network shows that all specialist cells do not do the same job, but they support one another to keep the body alive.